I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will share a roadmap that will help you to invest 5,000 every month on multiple investment instruments. Let's suppose you want to start your investment journey and you don't want to start with huge numbers. So let's say 5,000 is something which is an average number. But if you're confused about how to invest and where to invest that 5,000, then this video is for you. In this video, I will share this roadmap on how to divide your 5,000 to multiple investments, and in the end I will also show you a calculator to help you to analyze how much you can earn for a certain period of time. So let's suppose you have 5,000, so invest your first 1,500 among that 5,000 in mutual funds. So there is a thing called ELSS mutual funds. So if you are already using any investment app like Upstocks or Zerodha, you will find it. So you can open an account using the link in the description. Search for ELSS mutual funds and select large caps. Select any 3 large caps and invest 1,500 in those 3, like 500, 500, 500. Because mutual funds are generally safer investment options, and the average return that you can expect is around 10%. So now you're done with 1,500, and next invest the next 1,000 into index funds. So index fund is a fund which invests in indexes of stock market, like Nifty 50 is one index. If you want to invest in top 50 stocks by investing in single stock, then you can choose index fund. So if you invest in index funds like Nifty Base, you can search for Nifty Base in any of the stock broker apps. You will find that as a stock. So if you invest on Nifty Base, which means you are investing on top 50 stocks in Nifty 50. So this is also a safer option, because if Indian economy is growing, then your stock will also grow. Next, invest the other 2,000 in direct equities. So but how to choose stocks as a beginner? So it is something the hardest part for many of the beginner investors. So I will say few things. Take few things which you use regularly and which is important for your household. Let's suppose you're using Colgate paste. So Colgate paste is something that you use regularly. Research about whether Colgate is listed in stock market. Yes, Colgate is listed regularly. For any household items, like if you eat Maggi regularly, then Maggi is a product of Nestle. Search for Nestle, you will find that. If you are using a shampoo like Clinic Plus, it is a product of Unilever. You can find Hindustan Unilever in stock market. Similarly, if you're working in TCS or Infosys or Wipro, HCL or Tech Mahindra, you will find such stocks in the market. So these are all the stocks that you know and you believe in. So invest your 2,000 on individual stocks like it. So pick some stocks and invest 2,000 every month. Now you are left with 500 rupees. Then invest that 500 in risky investments like cryptocurrencies. The reason why I suggested to invest only less amount on cryptocurrencies is because cryptocurrencies can give you 10x returns or 100x returns, or they will make your investment portfolio zero. So anything can happen. It can do complete returns, or it will completely nullify your portfolio. That's the reason why it is a riskier investment. So invest only 500 rupees in cryptocurrencies that you trust. So don't invest in any other meme coins. So invest in popular cryptocurrencies and trustworthy cryptocurrencies which has some utility, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Polygon. So these are all some cryptocurrencies which has some utility. Many applications were built on them. So invest 500 in cryptocurrencies. So it is how you need to divide your 5,000 portfolio into multiple investment assets. Now I will share my screen and will show you how much returns that you will get by investing in multiple assets every single month. So I have opened an SIP calculator to let you understand how much you can earn by investing something every month in the SIP mode. So I have opened SIP calculator. SIP calculator will help you to understand how much you can earn by investing something in a regular manner. Let's suppose we are talking about investing 5,000 every month. Let's suppose you have invested 5,000 every month, and this is your monthly investment, and you are expecting a return around 13% that we have talked that, because mutual funds will give 10% average returns and equities and index funds will give 15% average returns. So well, averaging the two, so I'm expecting around 13% annual returns, and it will compound over time. So let's suppose you have invested for 10 years. Every month you have invested 5,000 SIP with 13%, then you can see how much you're able to earn. So if you invested 6 lakhs for the period of 10 years, you will get around 6,33,000 returns, which is more than the investment value. So
your 6 lakhs will become 12 lakhs 33,000 after investing 5,000 for 10 years. So if you have invested something more, when you start earning more, you can increase that I can say monthly investment. So see, it is how powerful the compounding is. So if you have invested for, I can say, 15 years, you can see the difference. It will compound more. If you have invested 9 lakhs for 15 years by investing 5,000 every month, you can almost get 200% returns, and your total value will become 27 lakhs. And let's suppose you are a 20-year-old, and if you plan to invest for 20 years in SIP mode, for 20 years of, if you have invested a total of 12 lakhs by investing 5,000 every month, you will get around 400% returns, and your total value will nearly touch around 60 lakhs. So this is a power of compounding, and this is a power of SIP based investing. And this 5,000 is something that I have taken as an initial investment. So every year you might get in hike in your salary, so that you can also increase investment at least by 10% every year. Let's suppose you are investing 5,000 for 1 year, and the next year you can make it 6,000, and the next year you can make it 7,000. So in that way you can easily earn 1 crore by investing for 15 years, just making change of 10% increase in the investment amount. So this is the power of compounding. I just want to show that so that you can get some motivation to start investing.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this and if you want someone else to benefit from it, please share this video in network. Also, if you are a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.